Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pink chocolate-covered strawberries. First, gather your fresh, clean strawberries, about 12 ounces of good quality white chocolate, and an oil-based pink food coloring. You'll also need a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Making sure your strawberries are completely dry is crucial for the chocolate to adhere properly, so let's get started with preparation. Begin by gently washing your fresh strawberries under cool water. It's very important to dry them completely. Use paper towels and let them air dry for a few minutes to ensure no moisture remains. Next, melt your 12 ounces of white chocolate. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt or microwave it in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval until it's smooth and creamy. Now for the fun part, coloring the chocolate. Add a very small amount of your oil-based pink food coloring to the melted white chocolate. Stir it gently until you reach your preferred shade of pink. Remember, a little goes a long way. Then, holding each strawberry by its green stem, dip it into the pink chocolate, covering about 2/3 of the berry. Let any excess chocolate drip off. Once dipped, carefully place each pink chocolate-covered strawberry onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Allow them to set completely. This can be done at room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes, or you can speed it up by placing them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. For an extra touch, you can drizzle them with a contrasting chocolate or add some decorative sprinkles before the chocolate fully hardens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.